Vienna Vijnana Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology has been established in the year 1995. The Department of Civil Engineering started in the year 2001 and is offering UG, PG and PhD programs in various specializations. Structural Engineering Postgraduate Program has started in the year 2010. The program has 11 well-qualified and experienced faculty members with structural engineering specialization, of which 7 are doctorates from various reputed institutions like IITs, NITs and other esteemed universities. The program provides highly infrastructured laboratories which aid the students to enhance their skills and get exposed to latest trends in structural engineering. Numerical Analysis Laboratory.
VDV Chandramohan Rao, Professor of Civil Engineering here. I have been working here since 2005. This is the PG CAD lab, exclusively meant for the PG students. So we have two different computer-aided design laboratories here. One for the EG students and one for the PG. So all the students will be trained in the MATLAB how to develop the code for solving numerical solutions. So we have a campus-wide MATLAB license here at VNR VJIT.
Softwares like AutoCAD, StatPro, ANSYS, ETABS, SAP, MATLAB and Abacus will enable the students to work towards latest modeling analysis and design. Model Testing Laboratory.
With regard to Model Testing Laboratory of MTech curriculum at VNR Vijnana Jyoti, where all the structural engineers are being introduced to test reinforced concrete structural elements, and we also deal with structures which are subjected to dynamic loading. So here basically this lab is specifically designed in such a way that students would be introduced to different types of electronic measuring systems like strain gauge, LVDT, load cell and various other concepts through the various equipments available in strength of materials lab and the equipments that are available with a loading frame which has been installed recently. So this is a computerized EPM where students will be using this to test reinforced concrete structural elements like columns, beams, etc. and the slabs and other things would be done using a loading frame setup. This is a spring mass damper system which would be basically used to study the dynamic characteristics of a cantilever beam, which includes an oscillator and we also have a recording system. So this particular equipment, the torsion testing machine, would be used to study or to evaluate the rigidity modulus of metal specimens, and here various electronic measurement systems would also be implemented like strain gauges and other things to see how the strain behavior varies in the structure.
Structural Design Laboratory.
Hello, I am Dr. Rakesh Saini and I am having PhD in Civil Engineering from NIT Warangal, and my area of specialization is structural engineering, and I work in the area of concrete making materials and special concretes. So now I am here to explain about the loading frame setup. So we have a sophisticated computerized hydraulic loading frame of capacity, axial load capacity of 1000 kilonewtons and lateral load capacity of 200 kilonewtons. This loading frame can be used for understanding the behavior of reinforced concrete elements like column, beam, slab, etc. And this equipment can also be used for understanding the behavior of precast elements like wall panels, compound wall panels, etc. Also, this equipment has a special facility of applying the lateral load. So the axial load can be applied of 1000 kilonewtons and the lateral load can be applied up to 200 kilonewtons. So faculty working in the area of structural engineering and the students can undertake research using this equipment and can perform tests on alternate to steel reinforcement for concrete in flexural members as well as lateral members, and also members precast elements with alternate materials.
Advanced Concrete Technology Laboratory.
I am Sandeep Kumar, working as assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering. So I have done my MTech in Structural Engineering from NIT Trichy, and presently I am also doing my PhD part-time from NIT Trichinopalli. I am working in this institute since 6 years. this advanced concrete laboratory caters to MTech students and PhD scholars in the civil engineering department. Here, the students are more inclined towards course-based projects, minor and major projects in their country. In this advanced concrete laboratory, the faculty and students majorly work on engineered cement composites, high-performance self-compacting composites, geopolymer concrete, recycled aggregate concrete, concrete with nanomaterials, concrete for resilient structures, and many special concrete. The major equipment present in this concrete laboratory are hydraulic pad mixer. So this can be able to produce up to 200 kg of concrete in a single mix. Humidity chamber. So in this particular equipment, so concrete specimens can be placed under controlled temperatures. So the ranges for this are temperature can be maintained up to 60 degrees centigrade, and you can also maintain 100% relative humidity parallelly. Flexural testing machine. This is used to test concrete tensile strength permeability apparatus. So this is used to determine the permeability of concrete. Abrasion resistance of concrete apparatus. So this is used to determine the wear and tear of the concrete surface. Rapid chloride permeability apparatus, test apparatus. So this is used to determine the chloride ion passage through the concrete. Accelerated corrosion permeability test apparatus. This is used to determine for the corrosion analysis of concrete. Research scholars from JNTU and Usmania University have been utilizing our unique facilities for their PhD project works.